Hey guys, I want to come on here today and I wanted to talk to you about some alternatives to wearing your wigs that don't involve any glue. So there's some really awesome methods out there and some cool products that I've been trying out that I've found online that I wanted to show you guys too. So I have a wig here that is a already pre-cut lace front wig. It has a small lace area right here. So there's no lace cutting involved in this wig and it has all the combs in it. So I thought this would be a great wig to test out a couple of those methods with you guys today. All right, so the first method is probably hands down my favorite go-to method. It's something that no matter how many other things I try, I kind of always revert back to this. When in doubt, I always grab a wig grip. So this in particular is my favorite wig grip. It actually doesn't have the Velcro on it in the back. It has an elastic kind of drawstring adjuster. And I like this because I am part of the weirdly shaped head club. And sometimes with the Velcro, it slides in the back. And this one, because it has the thinner strap, really stays in place. And it is a lace front wig grip, so it's gonna still lay really nice and flat, and you're not gonna see it through the lace of this wig that we're gonna be wearing it with. So once you have your wig grip on, you wanna go and grab your wig. And we're gonna be using the combs to do this method. That's how we're gonna be securing this wig to our head. The combs on this wig here, you have the one in the back and you have two in front. If you get a wig that does not have combs, you can go ahead and check out my video I have that shows you how to glue or sew combs into your wig. It's something you can do very easily, always something you can add, and if you feel like you need more combs, you can always add more combs. All right, so this next method is technically, I guess I would consider a wig grip, but this is a really cool one that I actually got online, and it is a silicone wig grip, but this one I like in particular because it's a lot thinner and a lot stretchier than other silicone wig grips I've tried. Those tend to give me headaches, and this one is really nice and loose when I wear it. So I'm gonna put this one on here. And the other really nice thing about this wig grip is, especially with a wig like this that has the hand-tied knots here, you can really see through this lace because the hairline is really nice, but you're also gonna see anything that's underneath. So with this one being very translucent and thin, it's a lot less likely for you to see it through the lace and through those knot areas. This is gonna be the same method as with the wig grip where we're using these hooks to hook this in. You don't have to actually use the hooks in this method if you don't want to. It actually grips pretty well to the inside cap of this wig with the silicone without the hooks, but I always like to just add them just for extra security. And again, your wig is not gonna go anywhere and you cannot see that wig grip through here at all, which is awesome, and it lays really nice and flat still on my head. All right, so this next one is something that was recommended by one of you guys in the comments. Stanley's gonna put it right here for you guys. And this is the Incelia Firm Grip. So this is actually really interesting to me. It is actually this spool of material right here. And you go ahead and you rip off a piece. And the nice thing about this is it's a throw and go situation. So you don't have to worry about your makeup getting on this and having to reuse it. You can just toss it when you're done. And you're gonna go ahead and measure it to your head, which is also nice because it's going to fit you perfectly. And I like that it is extremely thin. So if you have sensitive skin or anything like that, it's gonna be great. And again, with this Futura fiber wig and having the hand-tied knots and everything, you're gonna really have a nice hairline, but you don't wanna see anything underneath the hairline. So this is a really nice wide kind of band, and it stays on my head really well. I've been testing it out a lot, and I want to go ahead and try it with this wig with you guys as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this wig on, same kind of method. We're gonna use those hooks and we're gonna get it all hooked in, and I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So this is pretty flawless and seamless with this wig and this hairline. This looks like it's coming out of my scalp, which I love, and I'm not seeing that wig grip at all underneath, and it still feels like it's not gonna go anywhere. And I have a lot of really nice security, which is also really great. So I'm gonna keep testing this out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think about this amazing wig. It's definitely, like I said, really looking very natural at the hairline without really having to do much to it. All right, so the last method I wanted to show you guys is a very traditional method of using wig tape. And I feel like this is a really great method for this wig in particular that has a nice small area of lace to work with. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a piece of wig tape right here, line this up right here in that center area where I know that lace is gonna sit right in front of my hairline. I'm gonna go ahead and peel it off. Try not to touch the tape if you can, because the more you touch it, the less sticky it's going to be and the less it's going to stick to the lace once you use it. So then because this only has the one area right there, I'm only going to be using one piece of tape because I want it to stick right here on that lace area. And then press down once you get it where you want it to go. And then that wig isn't going to do any lifting. You can pull on that. It's not going to go anywhere. It's not going to shift on you. You can absolutely wear this wig because of the style and the length of it from one side to the other. So this could be a side part, and you could definitely then just put your wig tape right here on the side where you're going to be putting that lace at. And that's really just kind of how you want to line it up. But this is a really great, quick, fast, easy way to do this, especially if you don't wear the bands or like things back in the back of your neck. You can go ahead and just do a little piece of wig tape and you're gonna be nice and secure and ready to go as well. All right, guys, like I was saying, especially with this wig in particular, when you have those awesome Futura fiber and hand-tied knots, you want something that's gonna give you a really nice, seamless hairline. And these are just a few of the things that I love to use. If you guys have any recommendations, leave them in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. I'll put the link in the comments for you as well. I also have a really awesome code for you guys. If you want to grab this wig, gives you 25% off. Thank you guys again for watching. Make sure you check out our last video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.